早安，我们现在在红木森林，第一站先来到厕所，这是他们的厕所，他们这边的厕所是这样一间一间的，然后这个打开门里面就是厕所，
好冰哦！
厕所看一下，就是这样。OK，
好，我们去 iSeed 看一下。
iSeed 哦，这边还有 iSeed。OK，
应该有那个可以转。
第二站是这个 iSeed， 他最爱的 iSeed。
纪念币。
然后这边旁边介绍一下，这边有没有看到这个？这是可以上去走的，大家可以在上面走。哦，要门票才可以上去走。
然后这边我们等下买的票是这个，2个小时的体验
啊。
我来，我来换。
有人没钱要来换钱。
哦，对。
然后这边就是纪念品，
我来看一下
各种纪念品。所以我们现在过去了。
对，他说现在要过去了，
这厕所走过去。
厕所那边。
对。
好。哦，这是票。OK。等下你要转是不是？
我失忆了，我忘记我有没有转过。
是钱还是转？
钱吧。纪念币应该会长比较对啊，这才是纪念币。
转过了。
嗯，你要看一不一样啊？有树吗？你要翻过来啊。哦，对啊，又不一样。你这 Skyline 的啊，它每个不一样啊。你红木森林就是有树的，才是转过。
他应该是没转过。其实。
哦，看看，
好可爱哦，
不错哦。
可爱。
红木森林的。
对，漂亮。
我说要集合哦。
我们现在要集合了。
我在哪里？
他去厕所。他说去厕所那边集合。他说是厕所什么？他说厕所再过去。对。到了。
好冷哦。
集合。
他能不能说中文呢？
为什么？
他用英文跟你介绍这里的环境。
在这里。
Do you have the booking slip from the eyesight they gave you?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
好，我们现在在这边。
If you guys start to fill these out for me, I'll give each of you an iPad. We have just the red amount for.
在这边准备签一些文件啊，准备着装，还要着装了。
The other in here. Grab hold of these for me. I'm gonna shimmy up. Yep. Get up.
整个就抱团的。
真的。
And then your arms go under the black.
大家说你有什么建议吗？可以请几个中文导游。
需要中文翻译。
需要中文翻译跟中文导游。
我尽量帮你翻译，好不好？我等下中间尽量帮你翻译，帮你们翻译，好不好？
大家可以一知半解啊。
一直。
我大概可以了解一半。
好，可以，那不错，那不错了。小猪有了解多少？
一般。我们现在脑袋空白。20%。
好，等下大家每个人都要着装了。抓住，往上拉。屁股好大。你那什么东西啊？手机。
不是，真是。
报数。
Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Have you done the checks here?
报数。
I did nothing yet. I just got them.
1、2、1、1、2、1、1。
Alrighty, we feeling okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Awesome. Alrighty. So we'll just run you through a few things of what we're going to do today. You guys might have some ideas already. Now these bridges here in the car park are 6 meters. Today we'll be going up in the forest between 20 and 25 meters, so a little bit higher than this.
Okay.
The whole course is about 650 meters as a loop. And we'll go over 25 bridges, lots of different types of bridges. This is one of our bridges here. We've got 3 big zip lines and then an optional jump at the end. So you don't have to do the jump at the end, but if you want to, you can. You'll watch one of us jump first. We'll talk you through it, but we don't. Yeah, I'll jump first. Cool.
Yeah.
Also, we're all still ready to roll.
Yeah.
Any last minute things you want to put behind, or we're all good?
Oh good. Yeah. Okay. All good.
他是说你不要的话，你就跟他
I
说
would
不
lead
要
off。with you
对
guys, and I'll join you in a few minutes after I shut this all down.
Cool, come on through, guys.
走了。
Okay, now do you know what type of trees these are?
No.
Okay. Redwoods, you're onto it. Not a trick
Thank you.
question, easy. So they're Californian coastal redwoods. They grow along the coastline in California, near the ocean. My second question of the day. Does anyone know what's caused this kind of damage to the bark? So this is the healthy bark up the top. Something's been damaging the bark here. Does anyone know why?
Human.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So thousands of people
hug 'em.
come through, and they all touch the bark, hug the trees, those sorts of things. So you'll notice that all of these trees all the way through here, they've been damaged at about human height, and then it gets healthy again. Now what can happen when a ring of bark is taken off the tree, because this bark is so soft and so delicate, when a ring of bark is taken off all the way around the tree, then water, moisture, bacteria, and different diseases can get into the tree, and then it will die. So we want to keep our trees here really, really healthy today. So please don't touch them, show them your love, take photos and things like that, but please don't touch the trees.
Okay.
The bark is super, super delicate.
Okay.
away。
我们现在会去有一个导览。
So that's 2 trunks. These ones
Oh.
have grown like in triplets.
好酷哦！
你看它螺旋。
它会这样长上去哦，绑起来这样长哦。
As well. And my favorite one is this one here. This one fell down quite a long time ago. And its branches
Yeah.
root in the soil. So these 7 trees that are growing out of it used to be branches. But yeah, they rooted into the soil, and now it's got 7 trees growing out of this one tree.
哇哦，
So
哇，这倒下来看到，然后就长很
we
多
should
树
get。a photo together. Come on through this way, guys.
我们好小只哦，我们真的像是4个小朋友的。4个小朋友户外教学。对啊。
So you'll notice this one here. This is the end of the course where we'll finish.
哦，这个
So we talked about the jump at the very end of the platform. Yeah. If you look up to the top of this, you'll see a bridge all the way through here.
啊 bridge
Come this way a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one. So a bridge. And then there's a platform all the way around the tree.
Yeah.
Now that's the last platform of the walk today. Yeah. And if you want, we can hook you up to our system, and then you can jump off. It's more of a step off, really. So that's 22.5 meters. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that today, all good. You can come all
Walk
the way
down.
across the bridge and then down the stairs.
Yeah.
But we'll think about it in 2 hours.
Okay.
We don't have to think about it now.
也
可以这样哦。
对啊，应该就是
可以跳
对啊，之后会降下来。啊，他说你不要的话，你也走下来就好了。
对，跳啊，哪跳啊，就不跳，都来啊。
对啊，
跳啊，你可以这样jump。
Let's do it.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, we'll come through this way to the course. So this is our practice course. We'll just get used to using our equipment, and then we'll walk to the top of the hill soon. But
Okay.
first this one.
哦，
练习的。
Evening.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, if you want to come this way with me.
Okay.
Perfect. I'll steal that one.
示范。
You stand here. Perfect. Awesome. So we're going to hold our carabiner upright.
Right.
Now that gap, this gap doesn't get any bigger or smaller, and that's
Okay.
perfect for our course today.
Okay.
Because once you go on the wire,
Yeah.
you can't come off. It stays on the whole way through, which is great.
Yeah.
Now this gap is going to point towards the pathway. So not this way towards the forest, we want it pointing towards the pathway. So you have to rotate the gap up to the sky. So gap up to the sky, but the important thing is that it's in line with this plate. So give it a bit of a wiggle, I'll show you. So that gap has to go over the plate.
Yeah.
Like that. Now if you're really rough with the system today, if you're trying to pull on it really hard, it's not going to work. What you want to do, use 2 hands, give it a bit of a wiggle gently, and then it'll come through.
OK，
Cool. Now, like I said, that's not going to get any bigger or smaller, so that's perfect. You can't get off or fall off the course today, which is great, nice and safe.
Yeah.
Now, with this one, we talked about not touching the trees.
Yeah.
Also, please don't touch any metal or wire or things like that. And the reason being, you can get wire splinters. If you hold onto the wire, someone can crack your knuckles like this.
Yeah.
This might look like a good handle, but you can bounce up and grate your knuckles that way. So we want to keep our hands really safe today. The purple's a really good color to hold on to.
Okay.
You can lean as much weight on it as you like as well.
OK，
Cool. Okay, and everyone else, you guys can try as well.
OK，朝这边，朝这边，
转，对，
这样子。
哎，
wiggle。
他找我当示范，还想哦，这个学又没在上课，就你做又都不会。
Now we'll do one person, you get to do the free zip line, the practice zip line today. The rest of us will do our zip lines up on the course today. So just to kind of give you a demonstration. So if you want to step up on the platform, perfect.
示范。
Awesome, and bring yourself through this plate for me.
看一下。
Okay,
不是，
so the gap has to be in line.
对。
Yes, like this. Perfect, beautiful. Well done, awesome. Yep, that's all good. And then we'll check your harness. So Sam will go across or I'll go across the zip line first. So there'll be a guide at the other end to catch you. Then we'll check your harnesses, make sure you're nice and secure. Looks good. Okay, awesome. Those look good, awesome. Now we'll pop you on the wire. And then we'll do this bit as well for you. Okay. Now at the zip lines, you can hold on to your 2 tethers. Okay, hold these 2. Perfect. You're going to bring your toes to the very edge of the platform, and you're going to sit all the way down in the harness. So sitting. Yep, keep going. Perfect. And then you just lift your feet. Awesome. Nice work.
狡猾。
能靠。
Awesome, well done. Now when you're coming into the other side, you can kind of walk up the ramp. But if you're coming in sideways or backwards, then tuck in those arms, tuck in those legs into a little ball. And that way we can just reach your tethers and pull you in.
哦 ，OK，
There'll always be another guide at the end.
OK。
All good? So if you come in with really outstretched arms and feet, you can bounce back into the middle of the zip line.
Yeah.
So make sure you're tucked in. Now, if you fall back into the middle of the zip line, it's okay. We'll give you a chance to redeem yourselves. It's usually your fault. So what we'll do, we'll lift up that rope,
Yeah.
and you get the chance to rescue yourself. And be a hero.
OK，
Pull yourself all the way downhill. Don't pull uphill. That's hard. So pull downhill towards the end of the zip line.
OK，
Now, if that's too difficult, Sam's super strong. She'll start and save you.
OK。
Okay, all good?
You're the climber.
I don't know, we're gonna change that today. Awesome. Alrighty, I'll get you guys to pop yourselves back up the
Okay.
side. Okay, any questions or are we all okay?
Yeah.
All good?
Oh, good. Yeah.
Perfect. We're nearly there, guys. We're just going to the top of the hill, so not far. Have you guys seen on like the rugby jerseys in New Zealand of the like silver fern?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is the silver fern here.
Cool.
So it's green on the
Back
upside.
is-
On the underneath, when you flip it over, it's sort of a silvery color.
Yeah.
Have a look if you want. Yeah.
对呀。
Yeah. Look at so like this one here.
漂亮。
All of these ones.
正面、背面
You can flip over the leaves.
有。
Do a little bit of a flip. And see, it's
Oh.
all silvery.
Uh-huh.
So back in the day, Maori would use them. They'd pick off a leaf and then leave it lying on the pathway or in the forest, and then everyone would follow along. And then the very last person in the group would flip the leaf back over and point it away, and then no one can follow along. Yeah. So they'd get back home safely.
Oh, cool.
Cool.
We've made it, guys. Here's our entry spiral. So we'll start.
到了，
快去做书签。怎么到了？到了！哇，好高啊！高。
你的第一站即将从这里开始，
第一站都是第一站哦。
就从这里开始啊。
哦，是哦。
So we'll start by going up here, up the spiral. This is also, we call it the jellyfish,
Jellyfish.
which is because it wobbles so much.
啊。
So everything moves up there, and same with the whole course, everything moves. So pretty wobbly. What we'll do when we're walking up, we'll give each other maybe like 2 or 3 stairs of space as we're walking, so that if one of us topples down, we're not going to bring everyone down. Like a domino.
Yeah.
Okay. Now when we get up to that first bridge, our magic number today is 3. So 3 people on a bridge. Sam and I are also people, even though we've got yellow helmets. So please count us in 3.
Okay.
Awesome. Now when you step
Yeah.
you'll step onto this bridge here.
Yeah.
Be aware of who's at the other end of the bridge, because if I do a really big step on, the person at the other end might be pinged up into outer space. So we want to be aware of that today. Nice gentle steps on the bridges, and give each other a little bit of space, a couple of meters on the bridges as well.
Okay.
So that we're not going to be kind of falling onto each other and that sort of thing. Also, when you're leaning off the platforms, hold on to that inner hand railing. So you can see on that platform there, or that platform there, just hold on to that solid hand railing when you're up there. Cool?
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, if you have any problems today, Sam, Holly, screams and yells. We'll respond to anything.
Okay.
Awesome. We'll pick our order now because we're going to stay in the same order the whole way through.
Okay.
So whoever's first, you can come on through. Okay. When you're ready.
就是你了，有示范的第一个。
哦，那我最后，你最后一个好了。
为什么他最后一个？
他比较不怕。
哦，你怕是不是？哦，会爬了。
哇，
酷。
好呀，这么晃哦。
对啊。
我以为这个不会晃哎。我已经是开始有点
Now with your purple,
后悔了。
the base here.
是没有后悔啦，有点紧张，可以吗？
Every couple of steps. So just walk through like that. But hold on to that bit there for now, because you've got to bring yourself through here, there, sort of thing. If that makes sense. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Just check your harness.
Okay.
So Gua, you're going to hold the bottom here. And you're going to bring yourself through each plate every 2 steps.
Okay.
And then you've got the hand railing on the right as
Okay.
well.
Thank you. 就抓这个。哦，然后每一个要这样经过这个。诶 ，wiggle。嗯 ，wiggle。哦，有了。有人发出一些奇怪的声音。
什么发出一些奇怪的声音？干好高哦！
你不要往下看，现在已经开始不能往下看了哦。
不行，现在不能往下看。我现在很认真，我都把手机收起来了。
等一下，可是你的手机在我手上。
不要往下看啊！你给我一个。
可以啦，可以啊，
好紧张哦！
可以往下看啊，没什么啊，还可以看看后面的人，因为没那么晃，越来越稳了。
哦，还是很晃啊！谁说不会晃了？骗人！
会不会上来就后悔？我不要跳了，不跳了。
刚刚不是说跳吗？哎呦，跳都跳。
我还没到。
不跳了，我不跳了。你先往下看，你想跳吗？
我觉得秋晚好像真的不行哎，这个太慢了。
We'll all cross it and then wait for everyone to join us again on the next platform. But this one also wobbles. So it wobbles.
耶，晃来晃去一样会晃。哦，你干嘛站起来？哦，
这么晃哦？
可以的。
好高哦，好高哦！
你看看下面，
我刚看的，很高哎。
可以的。
OK 了。天哪，它中间有个缝隙耶。
OK。
Oh my god！
哦，好好玩哦。
You can hold on to the ropes. You've got this. You can get on. So hold on to the ropes.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, and then big step. You got it. Nice.
抓这个。
一脸戳样。
帮你拍。
你走快一点，我看你现在跳舞。
你走太慢了啦。哦，走过去。
尽力了，他那个表情。我已经没有办法做表情管理的部分了。
可以这样看，看。哦，这个也会晃。
高哎，
这个也会晃啦。
很高。
你往外看，这样，这个也会晃。
We all feeling good? First bridge done. First
Yeah.
platform.
Yeah.
We like the bridge. Weird.
Yeah.
Well, like you said, just dancing. Just a lot of
Yeah，
看起来是有点慌张。
加油加油加油！可以哦，我要去喽。你要踩的吗？对啊。好啊，我一个后头是蛮好玩的。
Oh my god！
是我们太短了，是不是？这一条紫色的很烦呢。对，哎，太高了，这条紫色可以走快一点，很烦呢。对啊，看一下后面，后面那个很慢，
Yeah，
很烦呢。这条紫色的很烦呢。
哎，抓两边是不是？
对啊，都可以啊，你不抓也可以啊。他说你不抓也可以啊，
我不行啊。
人家不抓。来了，来了，上去，快点！
他表情已经没有办法做表情管理，
好慢哦！你不是说你要走快一点吗？
让我过去。笑屁哦！
好慢哦！
你是笑屁哦！我要怎么上去？
带你下来。
小猪。
就像是一只小鸟穿梭在这里。
对啊，
我脚软哎，怎么？
脚软的小鸟有吗？有脚软的小鸟吗？这里比较不晃，比较没那么恐
Oh
怖。
yeah, it's really fun to look down. I also like to look up though sometimes
哦
Yeah,
because the trees look really nice. The branches,
Yeah.
they're all like,
look up is more beautiful.
yeah. It's just looking up so nice, and you never remember to do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, really.
This bridge,
Yeah.
if you want to have fun with on, it's a really good one to have fun. You're right.
Really?
Like, it is a bit of a steep step, so you're welcome to sit or squat down first. I tend to squat. But yeah, like I said, when you're in, it's very stretchy, very like covered you.
哦
It's like you fall oh my gosh! Down if you want to go even farther,
哦
or you can just bounce.
哦哦！对对对对。躺，你要躺侧面啊，侧面躺。
哎，其实还蛮好玩的啊。
真的哦？
天哪！
可怕啦！
我现在真的是已经脚软了。
I can go.
Yeah.
哦哦哦！快点踩啊！
你跟他配件哎。谁要跟你们一起走啊？
Join us.
你快过去啊！啊，嘿，
The bridge, nice.
进来进来。躺
Tam?
躺躺
no，
躺
啊啊！哎，蛮舒服的，
可以的啦。
可以，但是
哎呦，鞋子被扯掉了。
好可怕！
哦，你在拍我。躺
不要躺了，
躺。
不要躺了。
过来。OK。躺后面的人在躺。
等一下，
不行哎。后面很快，你后面很快。被电到。
其他都要拍下来，你好聪明哦。
You can use the rope step if you want to, or not strong enough.
好晕哦！我们走那条绳子路好晕哦。
This one's a bit different. They aren't actually attached on the
哦，
哇，
So if you would like to use them, you still can. You just want to pull down.
啊
You don't want to push out.
，Yeah，
You know, they don't help you that way. So we'll pull
down，
down.
OK，
You can though peek your head through if you want. Nice little look down. Nice little wave, that kind of stuff.
No.
If you wanted a little bit of an extra push, these are really good ones.
Oh my gosh！
哦，他直接把他推开了。
Give that a go.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
我承受得了吗？我这个小心脏。是吗？这边有一个配件啊。好可怕！天哪，莫那剩啦！
这个视角，
天哪，
对啊
好疯哦你们！
哎，你到中间，然后你拉开看它，
嗯
很漂亮。
嗯，很漂亮哎。对啊，哇，很漂亮哎。
两边打开。你是在录影？
对啊。我很好，前面那个小哎，后面为什么还没走？
每玩一次我就在训练自己对高空跳伞的胆量。
真的。
哇，很美哎！
拉开，小猪，你把它拉开，你把它拉开。
去不了，去不了。那你等我先走过去。
再看看，
是啊，
有看到吗？
是蛮美的啦。
有录到吗？我看
我不知道有没有录到，我
有
先不管。
有。要溜了，这就是用溜，要溜了哦。
So I will be heading over first to catch you guys.
Okay.
And Polly will be sending you off. But just as a little bit of a recap, just feet to the edge, sitting all the way down. Sit down. And just listen.
Oh, sit down and 哇，酸呐！
Like a bird. Like a bird. Yeah. Big bird.
到了，
Okay, maybe just stand on this one.
Too short.
Too short.
too short。
So toes to the edge, sitting all the way down,
坐。
and lift your feet.
哦。
那手棒。
哦。哇！ Thank you。
手放开，手放开，你的手 ，Open your head， 手啊，打开啊！
怎样？你要哭了是不是？他感觉。She can stand.
You got it. You're safe now.
你看他直接放开了。
放开手好像比较会旋转。
应该是吧。
会旋转，比较才会旋转。
手不要发抖，不要发抖。
我这手机没有防手。
This is our first level gap bridge, so just watch our one gap that's a little bit too big.
小心那边有个缝。
啊，我要等它来才可以走。
没有吧？可以走了吧？应该垫底的。
那我走了。
Yeah, I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
I almost cry. Yeah.
I never do any like tricks, so like.
我绝对不要跟你们一起走。
On this one, if you want to have good balance, it's best to think of it like a tightrope. So just one line right down the middle, putting one foot right in front of the other.
啊，
If you feel like your feet might fall through, it's very normal. Just put your feet a little to the side, have a little bit of a duck walk, and you should be okay. It is a lot sturdier than it looks. And it's pretty easy if you do go, like I said, straight down the middle. If you do have your feet to the outside, that's what wobbles the bridge more.
嗯哼，
你看我现在头很痛。
这完全没有护栏的，进步了，越来越多了。Good job.
蛮晃的哎。
And then one foot in front of you.
青蛙有青蛙。
很好玩啊！
好丑啊！
Look at my hand。
他等我们走完呐、小猪啊，有时候等我们走完。
赶快过去啊！
我就在等你下来啊。没关系，你后面还有一个。啊，
蛮好玩的。
对啊。哦，好晕哦！我也走完那个都好晕哦。
One foot in front of you.
太慢了吧！你后面大魔王要来了。踩旁边，踩旁边。你两边这样踩。对，没错。
每一步都很辛苦。
一定要抓着吗？
不知道呀，应该也可以不用，来不太短，抓不到。笑死！你看小猪走起来没什么哎，他走的看起来很无聊哎。你看起来走起来很像很好玩的。
Since everything's familiar, it means that we don't have to stop at every platform. So we can just keep moving along as long as Holly and I don't get too far apart. We can just keep walking. Okay? If you have any
一直
questions,
走这样吗？
Keep walking. Okay.
Yeah, if you have any questions as well, feel free to ask. If you don't, we can make some up for you. It's okay.
OK。所以从后面就是一直走了。
哦，是啊。
对他可能就不会介绍，后面应该就是都一样的桥，我在猜。
哦，
猜啦，我猜的。
我真的是头很痛。
可以吗 ？Too short.
Good job.
你这个比较快耶，
真的哦、
这个小猪可能会
你走远一点，我再去。
我等你们走完我再去了。我真的头很痛，越来越痛。
Keep walking。
你就惊你的啦，怕给我擦啦。
这紫色的好碍事。OK。
Nice。Yeah。哎，很晃哎。
它这样就一直
很美
走，
对啊，
然后我可以一直走，
对啊，
但它都走很快。
那就追上他、啊。哦，好远，等你走远一点，
Am I beautiful？
太远。
No，
谢谢你，
这也是很美哎。
太远。
而且我觉得好像有越来越高。你有看到吗？
看到什么？对啊，这边也有窗帘。
我的天灵盖很痛啊！
天灵盖，
我要叫他帮我拍，就已经走远。
天哪，
好远，这好远。
这也可以背后走吗？
可以啊。调皮，调皮。
这紫色的好烦哦，一直缠住我。
Fix their road coverage. Yeah, don't usually notice while they're in there.
他说你是第一个，他发现在桥上面可以自己解决那个绳子问题的人。对啊，他说通常大家不会发现这个问题。
我太聪明。要不
他
要请
看到了，
我当华文导游？
不然之前的应该都是会求救。我在猜，
他不是旋转就好了吗？
可能有些人就不会发现啊。有啊。嘿。
你们两个真的是很调皮呢。
怕的还没来，我们先晃没有用，快点，脱队了。
你们太调皮了。哎！
他说这个桥可以10个人，我们要一起露营。
10个人，
我们这次不调
为什么
皮，
这座桥可以10个人啊？它看起来没什么特别的，我这是小调皮就好了啦。
你不要再小调皮了。
哎呦，打到一点点。
我们一起拍照。
它是露营，
Oh my god！
有吗？
有，
那我就往这边躺，
那我就往这边躺。
好吗？我们一起对他打招呼。
嗨。
While recording still, I want you guys to try sitting down.
哦，我们会飘着哎，我们会飘着。哦。
Other thing I want to show you here is I know we said no touching the trees, but
Yeah.
you can get by a little bit here if you want to try and move the tree. Grab this nub, not the whole tree, but just the nub.
啊。哦。
Pull
哦，too cool。
little.
哇。 哦，好酷哦！
So you can give that a try if you want. So just give that a nice pull and then a nice push right on that nub there.
你可以跟我录影吗？
好，怡婷现在要去推树，怡婷现在太短，怡婷现在太短 ，OK， 抓不到，糖，我们帮你，快点，抓到了吗？Yeah, you got it！
好酷哦！
他抓不到了，抓好，对，好晃，哦，拉，你要拉，哦，有看到树在晃吗？
刚刚树在晃吗？
不知道哎，手机有点晃。
它是可以拉很近啊。
啊，可以啊，放开。哦，
我是泰山，点人，
我也想拉拉看。
你要吗？那我帮你录。
好，糖，耶！哇，有看到吗？
有。
这个树应该长得够近才可以。
我们大概是有没有问他这边地理环境
什么地理环境？
比如这些树的品种啊。
哦。哎呦，静电
生长环境啊。
我跟你讲，那可能你也
问不出来。
没有，你问了他讲了你也听不懂。我跟你说，
我刚刚唯一问了他一个地方，就是这下面都是银蕨嘛。
对，
这个也好酷啊！他每次都走这么快，我想要拍这种，他都不见了。这个比较可怕哦。
真的吗？
因为这两个是空的。
Really?
Yes.
Really? Really? 不恐怖啦，那个已经没有真实感了，你知道吗？这个还有一点真实感，那个已经没有真实感了。怎样？后面有个调皮的，好玩。你看有人在拍照，你看他有个照片，你的照片都是背影哎。
你在录影，然后我只要这样转向你，我就会像在拍照。
对，但是不知道角度怎么样。他那个包包是急救包吗？
可能还是我的点心，应该是吧？
点心哦，现在到了终点会有点心。
小猪，你不去吗
No，
一起躺。
我拒绝。
真是好大胆的。
对啊，他应该是自己转的，站不起来。
啊，我们的线跟他
对，
啊！练习一下。
等一下去那里可以。
他说什么？
他说等一下可以在途中就是睡觉这样子，然后你就躺起来了。
就这样。哦。
哇，
好爽哦！
真的。
好爽。
我们快到这个树顶了。
其实有越来越不怕的感觉。
对，因为你习惯，
对啊。
享受大自然。
对，很舒服。太爽了吧！
死了。
All right, whenever you're ready.
OK，
你要拍好自己的脸哦。
好 ，Go！ 哇！耶！Yeah,
Nice.
thank you.
Awesome.
为什么你们到这里的时候都这么轻松啊？我到这
什么意思
里都好狼狈哦，
为什么很
我都会
狼狈？
摔得很狼狈，这样抖。
真的假的？你们。Hello， 脚软。他躺下来了。
太爽了吧！ 很爽哎、
为什么不行？等你成为教练的时候就可以。拜。
这边拍一下，什么东西？什么比较可怕
19个人，
？Nice，
我们剩下6个了，
真的、哦？
因为总共25座桥。
哎呦，今天你有听到吗？好痛哦！
And those have the seeds inside. So each of these little worms
Seed.
is a seed.
它的种
And so
子
it falls, it's sort of sitting in there, falls out, and then trees grow. So it's pretty
啊
crazy. Something this small turns into something that big.
，this
Yeah.
yeah，
Yeah. Kind of wild.
哦，little baby，
Lots of seeds in there. Yeah. You can have like,
这是它哎，
嗯，松果吧？
那它就会长
对啊，
成
让它
像它这
长成这样
样子哎。
哦，这个，这个很短，这也算一个吗？嗯，哦，
What it is? So these are New Zealand insects. They're called weta. These ones are the bush weta. This one's the female, and so she has this little egg depositor. So she hooks into the bark, and then she lays her eggs in there.
哦，
Like that. This one's the male. He's got those big pincers like that. So yeah, these are the bush weta.
这可以10个人的，
我们很调皮哦。
那你可以点。嗯，怎样？又有人蹲在地上走了。他躺下来了，他躺下来了。我在拍啦，站起来 ，get up。跑那么近干嘛？他们追得很近。Baby trees。啊 ，baby tree。
这个是 baby tree。
嗯，很细呀、Baby shark 嘟嘟嘟嘟。有啊。妈咪 shark 嘟嘟嘟嘟。
第22个人。哦，
快走完了，
最后一个好像是跳下去的，对不对？
应该是哦，就走到一开始的地方嘛，对不对？
希望他不要太走下去。然后跳下去之后，他就会告诉你。
对啊，谁调皮谁调皮谁调皮。你说紫色这一条对不对？
比较安全嘛。
放手走，哦，
大只。
哦，electric shot。
It's called a sheet web spider. And see how it's sort of, it's got this like base and then it goes up higher. So it's sort of like a pyramid kind of shape, like this.
哦，cool。
And so bugs fall all the way through and then they sit on the bottom
啊
and then the spider just comes and eats them kind of thing.
哇，这说什么？他们都不用扶哎，他们就扶在上面，
他们平衡感很好啊，
不知道走几次哎。
你也可以啊。真的耶，有一个人坏掉了。
Nice, Iris. Good work.
22，OK， 22还好啦。
最后一个跳下去22.5。
对。怎样？很晃是不是？这个很晃吗？哦，它会翻对不对？要踩中间呢，不然它会左翻右翻。哎呦，这个平台很晃哦。
Now this is our shortest zip line, but also our fastest.
哦
So if you haven't met the green crash pad yet, you might introduce yourself soon.
他说很快就跟他自我介绍了。
I'm going to take Sam with me, apparently. So with this one, Same as before, you're going to bring your toes to the edge, sit down, and then you're just going to lift your feet, and we'll give you a bit of a dangle off the edge. We're just going to hold on to those tethers to slow you down a little bit. Now at the other end, you've got the option to go left and do the jump, or you can go right and down the stairs. But if you want to all go left, then that's good. You can have a look at the jump, and then you don't have to do it either way.
OK，
Then get the thing and just walk back.
哦哦，
你看，
Now, with this one, if you want, I can give you a nice spin on the way over. Yeah?
对，要转。
没有，他说如果你想要，
对啊，对啊，
跟他讲，他会帮你。
对啊。
可以帮我录影吗？亲爱的。
Okay, so when I spin you, I'm going to dangle
你录
you
是好，你录，我这边有录啊。
and then I am just going to give you a nice. That sun is so bright. Oh my god. Right in my face. There you go. You good to go?
Sit down.
You sit down, lift those legs. There. And over. And all right. You're good to go.
Yep.
Lift legs.
哦！耶！
Nice squat.
哎，我没有躺下吗？
不要躺下，你就是我。你头高呢？可最会玩的。
对啊。怎么样？
哦
Can't stand.
，so easy，哇哦！要撞到了，要撞到了！OK， 啊，
Nice one. Good
其实有点晕诶。
这样子很晕呐，我刚刚就觉得很晕呐。
Very nice. 哦哦，
这个现在是什么？
要降下去了。
我有一个江花。
啊，
别跳了。
对啊，要跳啊，跳下去啊，对啊，跳下去啊，对啊。
Videos of you can take videos of each other.
哎，这个真的不会掉吗？跳下去有那个不会掉哈？确定哦？
都不会掉，除非你转。
哦
Phone. Maybe Gua can take a video of you or something from the top.
OK。
And then people at the bottom can take, yeah,
，and
videos
throw
of
down。
Jade at the yeah, if that makes sense, yeah?
OK。
Cool, okay.
顺着你帮我录影的，
嗯哼，
因为还要接住我。
嗯哼。
Okay, now Kate, take a couple steps this way. That's perfect, you're good. Yeah, yeah, nice. Awesome. Okay,
有在拍啊。
so this is quick flight. Now there's no pressure to do it, even if we get you all hooked up and ready to jump, and then you say no, that's okay. So
就
you've
不强迫。
got metal carabiners. One's going on your harness through one way, like this. One's going through the opposite way, like this. But our harnesses are weird, so we'll do this one different, like that. Now we'll check that they're closed. Squeeze, squeeze. You're also going to check that they're closed. Squeeze, squeeze. Make sure that they're all nice and hooked on. Okay. From there, we'll get one hand on the handle like this, and then we'll take off your purple tether and hook it back onto your harness.
哦，
什么意思？
Now you're all
Bye-bye,
hooked
Nacha.
up to quick flight, so you're safe. You're going to bring
剩那一
your
个。
toes, all 10 toes, right to the very edge, and you're going to look up at that platform. Now it's not a jump. And you don't want to sit down. What we want to see, keep your legs straight and your back nice and straight, nice and strong, and then you just step off.
哦，
Almost like you're stepping into a swimming pool.
Just like walk.
Okay. Just like walking. If you need to push off, then Sam can give you a push, but you'll try and do it yourself.
嗯哼
Okay?
，OK，
Push 会比较可
So
怕吗？
toes to the
我觉得会。
Now, purple has been your friend the whole way today. Purple's still
Yeah,
your friend
purple,
here.
yeah.
Hold on to the purple. If you hold on to the bungee bit,
Yeah.
then it's just going to ping off. So we want to hold on to the purple, toes to the edge, look up the tree, and then keep the back and legs straight. Nice big
直直
step
的
up.
下去哦。
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to go down first. You get to watch me do it. And I'll be there to catch you at the bottom. Now, catch is a strong word.
Yeah, I know.
So what I'm going to do, I'll grab your harness and I'm going to tell you, remember your legs. and hopefully you'll remember that you have legs and you can use them just to land.
记得蹲
Now,
下
if you。forget your legs, that's okay. You'll just land on the ground. Once we've stopped giggling and taking photos of you, we'll get you standing back.
OK，
Cool?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, good. Awesome. Okay, so we'll take that safety off.
这么可怕？
对，
Awesome.
拉自己扣吗？
没有吧？
没有啦，自扣我会死哎。
自己会摔死。
And then big step out on 3, 2, 1. I'll see you down there. You are.
哦，还好啦，还对，跳下去而已啊，好可怕！Disappear.
Yeah, easy, that's easy.
哦
Oh my god，可以尖叫吧？
上去的那一个要逼
Class
自己看
scream
而已。
对
尖叫
Oh
是什么
yes, please.
尖叫
，scream
scream。
Yeah, it's really funny to scream because people in the forest just listen to a random scream. Yeah, they don't know what's happening.
My beautiful voice。
They'll be blessed with it.
哦，电动的哎，
所以可以尖叫啊，
可以啊，
森林的人会听到我。
对，森林的会听到你在尖叫
有。没有没？
他说会很好玩，因为森林的人不知道发生什么事情。
We have one right there. We have two. Now we have
真
two.
的很紧张哦。
Can you give them a check for me?
Check check check。
Check
Feel good? Okay.
my life。
Just come over this way. And then can you put your hand right there on the banister? And then whenever you're ready, you are good to go.
Just like walking。
Nice straight leg.
不要紧张啦，
你不要看，你就直接往前。
看前面，看前面的树。
看前面，看前面远方。
You just gotta do it.
Yeah。
要乱调角度。
哦，
Oh no！ Here we go。
走。恐怖吗？会恐怖吗？
Okay, this is gonna go there. And whenever you're ready.
Oh,
You're good.
oh my god. No. No.
你要抓紫色的哦，抓
紫色的，对，紫色的。好
Yep, perfect. Hands are purple, nice straight legs. Good walk off.
，straight leg。啊！我不敢走出去。Go. 啊！ No, like this, like this.
Yeah.
OK. 啊！我恐怖了，直接歪掉了。哦，不恐怖，不恐怖。Good job, thank you.
刚刚是叫人家杀鸡。
哎，完全不恐怖，可是它不恐怖啊
下，来，没有你刚踏出去的那一步最恐怖，因为真的像自
就踏出去而已。对，
对啊，
我跟你说，小猪一定会很久，
原来自杀是这
会
种感觉
发抖。
哎，自杀真的是他第一步最
后悔
最要有勇气。
对啊对没错
对啊你踏出去你就自杀，
就来不及了，踏出去来不及，后悔来不及。加油，加油！
You can do it。
You're good.
这不是镜子画面。I just
You can do it.
No thoughts.
看着前面踏出去，
哎，我刚刚好像都闭眼睛。
踏，真假的？有踏，来。OK。
Nice, well done.
只有第一步而已，后面不恐怖。好了没？需要拉你吗？可以吗？可以吗？不要再抖了，不要再抖了 ，check it。That's normal。OK， 小猪要跳了，而且我跟你说，哦来，
走下来。
对啊，就那一步最难而已，后面其实不。
他是这样，like a suicide， 想做。Oh my god！ 就是这样，跳下去。Gets hot。
Yeah。哦哦哦！哇 ，Spider-Man！ 你想要是不是？对啊。Spider-Woman。
Everyone feeling good?
Yeah.
Anyway, on the walk back, we have chocolates for you guys.
Oh. Too good.
My legs are shaking.
Maybe it'll calm you down.
My hands are shaking.
Thank you. 哎，这是那个那时候我们第一次去那个住那个 Airbnb 那一排，又是这个很长，有这个口味 Hockey Pocket Crunch。对，同一排的。所以感觉应该是纽西兰当地有名的老牌的那种。哦，对，就是这里，你看，我们就从这边出来的。现在我们要走回去了。然后结束的时候，教练还会给我们巧克力。补充体力。
像人这样，
对，不要再发抖了。
无法控制的手。我脚也好软哦。
哎，你刚刚那种叫声感觉是会有回音的那一种。
应该会有。然后这是我们今天的教练，这个是谁？这个是 Holly。